How to create coupon codes for Square website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a coupon code for or any coupon codes, not only one code, into your Square website. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over squareup.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the dashboard. So make sure that you have at least added the website on Square Online, which is going to be in here. So you're going to head over the quick access at the left side of the screen, and we're going to see here the different elements. If you're going to see the online from here, it is going to be cool. If not, you can go ahead and click on quick access, click on edit, and then you're going to search for the sales channel. Normally, you are going to find the online, enable that, and then you're going to click on save. After that, we have set up the first step. We're going to click on online, which is going to be the Square Online in here. This is the website that we have. We're going to see all the elements related to that website. We're going to wait for a little bit of time. We're going to see the version of the website previewing in a little mobile, I think, in here. So you can configure whatever you want. Here we have the shipping, domain name, publishing the site, which is going to be here in our case unpublished. You can customize your site, add items and subscriptions. If you want to edit your website, click on edit site in here, and it is going basically to have the editor open up. So you can go ahead and add whatever elements that you want, set up the design and also the customization of the website. It is going to be here, basically a cool feature, and everything is going to be well organized. So as you can see, we have some products added. You can add some, as you can see here, sections or different sections in here. You can add pages, items, and etc. I'm going to exit the editor. Before I head over the coupons, I'm going to make sure that at least we have some elements or some items added. So we can go ahead and click on items and see the site items. It will take us to another page. Also, you can go ahead and create the site categories. So we are going to head over the Square dashboard. We are going to see different items. Basically, the Square Up or the Square Online is going to be related to the Square itself. So it means that if you're going to add a product, you need to add it to Square first, and then you're going to find the item onto the Square products or the Square Online. Aside from that, we're going to have the coupons. So if you're going to extend the items, as you can see in here bar, we are going to have the site items, site categories, coupons, gift cards, and etc. You're going to click on coupons and wait for a few seconds until you are going to see the page that will redirect you normally to their new integration or their new concept, which is going to be having the coupons inside the Square marketing. So this is a update that they have did. So you're going to visit the dashboard, or from now on, you can go ahead and not visit the Square Online, but you can visit the dashboard, head over the marketing, and then you're going to see the coupons in here. So you're going to manage them from there. So I'm going to click on go to Square Management or Marketing, and we're going to wait for the coupons. And as you can see, the coupons are going to be in here. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, we're going to put the act of creating a coupon. Click on create a coupon. And now we're going to design the coupon. And after we have finished all of the simple and short steps in here, we're going to activate it. So let's say that we have the coupon name. So we're going to give the name of it. So this name is going to be also be the code that you're going to spread over your customers or on social media or wherever you're going to put a campaign or marketing campaign on, and it is going to be applicable at the checkout. So maybe we're going to have here, let's say the anniversary, let's say sale, or we're going to have anniversary sale, for example, or anniv, or you can go ahead and make a coupon a little bit smaller so they can go ahead and remember it. So let's say here Jack's or Jack sale. We are going to have maybe we are going to give them a hint about the percentage or the amount that they are going to have. It is going to be here also a good strategy to get the leads in here for the coupons. So we can go ahead and have a percentage off, like here Jack sale 15, and we are going to have here a 15 percentage. So as you can see, we have set up the code. Uh, Here we are going to head over the coupon type. Either you are going to have it as a fixed discount. You can go ahead and put an amount or a standard amount from the chosen ones in here. We have the percentage off, as you can see, and you can go ahead and put a maximum value of the capacity or the activation of the coupon. We have the free delivery coupon, free shipping, and free items. So, depending on the type of the coupon in here, you can go ahead and have another menu that will apply to. For example, you can go ahead and have a free item or something like that. Now, I'm going to have a percentage of 15%, like I have mentioned on the coupon code. What can we do? The maximum value, which is going to be maximum in here. So we can go ahead and have a 15% on a value of a maximum 120%, for example, off. So aside or upper than 25 or $120, it is not going to be set up. Now, here applies to, you can go ahead and see that we have the entire sale, a category, or a specific items. On the items, you're going to visualize all the items that you have. For example, I'm going to have them only for the maybe a specific shoe. So here, this sporty shoe, it doesn't let's say exceed the 120. So it is going to be in here, and it is going to be only on the specific shoe. So I have made the maximum value in here and the specific item for the shoe, and it is going not to be here exceeding 120. For example, if a customer is going to have two shoes, for example, it is not going to accept the coupon, and this is going to be maybe something that we are going to organize 240. So they are going to have two shoes, and it is going to apply only 15% for that specific shoe for once, I think. So, aside from that, you can go ahead and set up some conditions like limiting the number of times customers can use this coupon, limiting the number of times coupon can be redeemed, or limiting the to sales over a certain amount. So, I'm going to have this, for example, I can go ahead and delete that, the maximum value, and I can go ahead and have maybe something in here. So, I'm going to have limit sales over a certain amount, and also you can add up to two conditions. So I'm going to have limit to sales over 120, for example, like that. And you can go ahead and add another, for example, limit, which is going to be maybe the times of customers can use the coupon, maybe one time. I'm going to limit it only for one time. And here we have it. So we can go ahead and set up the description. Get, for example, 15%. This is going to be automated message depending on the coupon type. And you're going to have also the condition or the specific item into that coupon. So that was the description. You can go ahead and modify it. Also, you can go ahead and set up the active date and also the end date. You can go ahead and choose to run the coupon for a duration of an unlimited dates or something like that. Or you can go ahead and put a date for that coupon just like that. After that, you're going basically to click on activate. It is going to be activating, and that coupon is going to be in here. So you're going to see the statistics of that coupon, the number of days that it has been live, the expiration date also, and the redeemed, and the net sales. So you're going to see the net sales, the redeemed, and etc. You can go ahead and download the coupon as a QR code, for example, like that. Going to have it as a QR code. This is the coupon, so they are going to apply it in here. Or you can go ahead and spread this coupon, copy and paste the coupon code as like this. So you can go ahead and click on the coupon as you see in here, and it will show you the details or the specific details for the conditions and etc. from here. So you can basically create a unlimited number of coupons in here by just clicking on create coupons, set up the code name, and then you need only to maybe have them into a specific spreadsheet or a note document that you're going to spread these coupons on social media. This is going to be something that is going to be very crucial. Aside from that, when you have an item into the site of your Square, you're going to need to apply or maybe have a announcement bar at the top if you're going to do an internal marketing. So you can go ahead and have here an internal bar or announcement bar at the top, and then you're going to specify the coupon and set it up. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.